Welcome to Falcon Tech. In this video we will learn how to delete a YouTube channel. So let's start. First, click on the channel logo, go to your channel, click on Manage Videos, then click on Settings, click on Channel, then go to Advanced Settings, scroll down and click on Manage YouTube Account. Here then again scroll down and click on View Advanced Settings. Then again scroll down and here you can see in the last Delete Channel. Click on Delete Channel. You need to put your password here to verify that you are the owner of this channel. So I am going to put my password here. Here it will ask you two questions: whether you want to hide your channel or you want to permanently delete your content. Now I want to permanently delete my content. Click the drop down menu, check in, and then delete my content. Here we will type email address, click on delete my content. Now my channel is removed. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.